So I ordered 101 bags of concrete, 80 pounds. Prepare a 2x4 slab form, borders, make sure we are all right at level. Now we're gonna fill the sides with some rocks. Now prepare all the tools that you will need. You need a rake, any form of rake, brush, a float. You can have a wood float or the one that's aluminum, and this for finishing, and this for sidings, and a brush, milling pad. Basically we'll just, it's already pre-mixed, so we just add water. We're gonna mix it here. We're gonna do the easy method. And put your dirty gears on, sun protection, mask, gloves. Then we're just gonna throw everything inside, rig the bag, and get all the concrete out. That's gonna be where the water goes, like a water pocket. In principle, we're just gonna be saturating this with water. It's already pre-mixed. And get the rake. Then start treating it with a straight 2x4. Okay, halfway you have to stop and do the edge because it's 100 degrees here in California. You can spray. And you have to use a float. Basically, you want to float the sand and the concrete until you down here, your float hitting the rock or the mini stones until it becomes quiet. Now we're on our last 1/3 of a big project. All the concrete. Let's just saturate this. Now down to my final screening. We're gonna push all the rocks and we're gonna fill the sand and the concrete or the cement for finishing. Now let's finalize the sides. Now spray some water and get your finishing trowel. We want the cement to come out. We want to float the cement and we make it shiny. It's the texture that we want to achieve. The last part, we need to use brush. And yes, we're done on the first 1/3 of the slab.